Hello, I'm Dr. Stacey Bell, and I'm here to talk to you about Health Shake, one of the products in the Synergy SLMsmart system. Anyone trying to lose weight really needs to keep it simple and not worry about what they're going to eat at every meal. By substituting one meal, and we like you substituting breakfast, with the Health Shake, you're able to satisfy all your nutrient needs, not only for calories and protein, but also for the micronutrients, the vitamins and minerals that you need. This shake is unique and you're never going to find it anywhere else. What I like about it best is it has time-released nutrients. The carbohydrate and fat for energy are meted out over time, so you don't get a huge burst of energy which disappears immediately. You get something that lasts you over several hours. Same with the protein. You want to preserve your muscle mass, feel strong and full all day? It's exactly what happens with the protein blend.